chance, when we still have that little hope, when we still have working institutions, when we still have the ability to speak and have people listen to us, when we still have a pretense of a democracy, we have a pretentious right to vote, we can go to the streets and protest, and they'll slap a few charges on us here and there. But there is still that little hope that exists. If we let this chance go, we shall be worse than the countries you read about in Saudi Arabia. We shall be worse than the Libyas you see today that are torn in war. This country is ours, and we must claim it back. They can fight us, they can push us, they can arrest us, they can even kill us, but this country are lying under trees. People are dying in hospitals because there is no medicine, and these are our experiences as Ugandans. And you may want to say there is nothing you can do about it, but I think that's an excuse because there is something you can do about it. Every Ugandan is supposed to live as though activism is their lifestyle. It should be a lifestyle. It shouldn't be something you only do when an issue happens. No. The law is only as important as we are able to breathe life into it, as we are able to hold the people that are our leaders to respect it. And freedom comes at a cost, and that's the bitter truth. The state where we have reached as Uganda, we just have to resort to protests. Protests in everything that we do. Is it in the job that you do? You must hard-handedly protest not to be part of the system that agrees for impunity to continue. You must be part of the young people that are going to speak up about issues in their vicinities. So many of us hold, for example, gadgets. We have phones, smartphones, we have data, but how many times do you
ngambye ensi kati tetambulira ku mateeka etambulira ku orders era orders zivaayo ne ziyita nti abo mubakwate mubasiteeka eruzira. So embeera eyo enyamiza nti bannayuganda abasinga bali silent, twalaba abasuubuzi nga ffe tuvuddeyo tubayise twegatte wamu nga bannayuganda tulage obutali mativu nga basirise nga balaga bali comfortable naye emabegako awo muze mubalaba nga nabo balajjana. So kino tekiri ku munnayuganda omuyeka, tekiri ku oyo ali mu kkomera kati naawe yadde oli bweru naye nkukakasa nti oli mu kkomera. So ke kaseera nga bannayuganda tuveeyo tusitule amaloboozi gaffe mu ngeri yonna gy'osobola. Ne oba osobola kwogerera ku ssimu yo yonna gy'oli, please mbadde mbasaba situla eddoboozi lyo mu ngeri yonna gy'osobola olage nti ekigenda mu maaso tokiwagira era